Hello and welcome. Well, are you ready to fall in love? I know, I know. Cuteness is just, I'm telling you, it just goes straight into my heart and I love it. And I so love these cute little birds. Aren't they adorable? And they're made out of just little fabric scraps, uh, a little bit of heat and bond or Wonder Under on the back of the fabric, some colored pencils here, and just some just plain cuteness inspiration all the way around. Now, I love these. These are little, just about a 3x3. These are perfect for putting in your junk journals, just or your slow stitch projects, however you want to do them. They're just so much, and they're so fun to make, and they're so quick. Now, I know you want to know how to do this, so stick with me because I'm going to show you how I do mine and give you a little kickstart here so that you can maybe start on some of your own. These are finished and they're ready to do whatever we want to do with them. I put a little bird and I put a little bit of greenery or flowers or just something to give it some kind of like proportion there. And also it gives something to, if you want to do a little bit of embroidery or a little slow stitching on it, that'll do. Or it can just flat glue into a glue book, however you wanted to do it. But isn't that adorable? So, okay, let's put these little ones away and let's make some companions for them. Now I've got 2 pieces of scraps here and just 2 pieces of little bits of scrap here that I've got. You can see that they've got the heat and bond on this one, and this one has the Wonder Under on the back of it. Now, these are just scraps, and if you already have some fabric that has the fusible bond on the back, we'll just cut shapes out of it. And if you don't, we'll just get little scraps of fabric, not too big, like I have, like this one and this one and this one, little scraps, and I just put the heat and bond on the back of them, and then I can just use them from that. Okay, so I'm going to create the little critters here, and I try to position it where can put a little greenery over here, and I made up some little greenery in advance. And all of this is the same scraps, I just put together for some little greenery there. I will elaborate on this a little bit in a minute, but let's just go ahead and get this down. I've got my trusty old antique iron here. I don't know how old this thing is. I found it at an estate sale. It has the old cloth, wire on it, and but it only heats up, don't have much dials on it. And but it's small and it's heavy, and it just does a wonderful job. Okay, isn't that cute already? So let's take and make something. Let's see, would this be a good color on there? That might blend too much. Let's find something brighter that's going to stand out. Here's a piece of a scrap. Okay. We're going to just cut us a kind of an eye shape of any kind. Don't matter, because it'll all work just like that. Yes. And then this little piece might work as a beak because it's long and pointy. Well, that works, don't it? Let's put him on there. Okay, let's take our little black pencil here and put us in a pupil in that eye. Let's take the purple. Make him some eyelashes. Okay, let's do him some little purple top notches here. Now remember, these are funky little fellows. They don't have to make sense, okay? Okay, we need a wing over here. Let's see, would that make a wing? I believe that it would. We'll just use him like that. And then I'll show you, let's see, let's we put him on there. Now he kind of takes away. Let's we put him under it. I like that. Okay. Oops. Well, don't do what I just did. And that is to get your piece upside down so that the glue is on top. We're going to have to put something over that. Cover that glue. Let's try it this way. Now, that works. Okay, we got him down there. Let's take our purple again, and let's just draw some little feather lines. Okay. We didn't get, oh, you know what? I'm taking that off because none of that. Make sure that your back part, the part you put down, has a good glue backing on it. Because if it doesn't, it won't stay where it's supposed to be. I like this piece. Let's see if we can cut us a little wing shape out of here. And that's supposed to be glued. Let's see. Let's take it down a little. Okay, we're going to pare it down a little bit more. Just play with it till you get it the way you want it. He's kind of stubby, and so we're going to make him a little stubby wing there. And we're going to use these little pieces. We're going to stick them over here like little flowers. Give the flowers some more definition. Okay, that'll work there. Let's take this piece that was left over. Let's stick him on the flower too. Oh, I like that. Let's put him down. Okay. Okay, let's take what do we want to use here? Okay, I got this little piece here. Let's try it. I like it to finish out this wing. Oh, I like that. That looks cute. Okay, all he needs is some feet. Let's give this little critter some feet. I love him. Let's give him a little feather direction here. Put a little purple in there. He is too adorable, or she is too adorable, or it is too adorable. Not sure. We don't have genders here. Okay, that's one out of that one. Another one to add to our finished pile. Okay, this is a littler one. Let's see what we can do with it. Do we want to throw it this way, or do we want to do it this way? Let's see if we can play with it like that. And then we have this greenery. Like that. Or let's see, do we have another piece of greenery that I might like better? Let's see. What if we put that down and add our little bird on top of it like that? I think I like that. Do you like that? Okay. Let's put that down, and let's put that down, and let's heat and bond it. Okay, now, all right, we need an eyeball, and I think this orange might do it. Let's put that one. Which way do we want it to go? This way. Okay, let's see, we got that. And then we might need a beak. What do we want to do for a beak? Let's see. What we got here, we're here in the pile. We've got all kinds of stuff, but I think I'm going to use this again and give him an orange beak. Really big one. There. Let's put that down. Isn't this fun? This is too much fun. Let's give him a pupil so it looks more like an eye. Okay, let's give him some little feet down here. And he's standing on this greenery. I like that. Okay, he needs a wing. That looks like a big old wing for a little old bird. Maybe we should cut him down just a little bit, but I don't know. You know what? We'll make him look really substantial. Let's see, I have this little piece of purple here. Oh, yes. Let's do that. Love it, love it. Let's just draw some little feathers here. Love it, love it, love it, love it. What are we going to do for him for a top knot there? He needs something on the top of his head. But what does he need on the top of his head? Let's see. What if we gave him something kind of ridiculous? cut it down just a little. It would be almost like a crown. We'll give him a crown. Oh, did it again. Linda. Now I gotta get it off my iron. Yeah, and I liked that too. Let me see if I have another piece of that. I do. Something I could put on there. This one might work. Okay, which side has got the glue on it? I believe it's this side. Let's try that again. Oh, we're safe this time. Okay. Now, what do we need? We need a little something. It's a little blah. What do we need? Let me scrounge around here. If you're wondering what I'm scrounging in my scrap bucket. Okay. I'm thinking that let's see. There's some real something that might pop some color for us. That looks pretty good. And let's see, need something little tiny but colorful that we can add to his little crown. Let's see, what color do I want? Let's see if something out of here might work. Get the paper off the back. Okay, let's cut some little circles. Just to add to the top up there. Woohoo. And then we'll take where we cut the circle out and we'll just trim it and use it too. Find a right place to add it. You know, I think the circle might be too much, but that by itself might be all right. Let's center it a little bit more. Yep, that does it. We'll save the circle like this and we'll put him down here. Okay. All right. We do have some cuteness going on here and so much fun. Just scraps, nothing serious here. Just wonderful playing. Let's look at our little critters here. All kinds of personality here. Isn't that adorable? Can't you just see that in one of your slow stitch pieces? Oh my. You could, junk journaler could sew or glue this onto cardstock, make adorable pockets, cards, tags, whatever they wanted to do. But anyway, that's just so cute. And it's all made out of fabric scraps, a little fusible web on the back of the fabric. Some, in my case here, I have a little bit of torn linen that I had, about a 3x3. And you can see how just cutting up shapes and just using your imagination, you know, just about any, we've got all kinds of shapes here, but if we put a beak and an eye on it and little feet, we got a bird. And of course a wing. But I think you can do this. I think it's going to be so much fun. You're going to love me for this one. All right. Until next time, let's stay scrap happy.